Hello students, how are you all? Welcome to new session. In the last session we have completed chemical properties of alcohols and phenols. In this session I am going to discuss few textual questions which are not solved. So in that the first question is question number 11.1. 11.1. Classify the following as primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols. They gave few examples. You need to classify them as which is primary, which is secondary, which is a tertiary. First one is CH3, CH3OH. Second one is CH2 double bond CH, CH2OH. Third one is CH3, CH2, CH2OH it is. Fourth one is, that is benzene ring with CH, OH and CH3. Fifth one is benzene ring with CH2, CH, OH and CH3. Last one is, sixth one is benzene ring with CH double bond CH, C, that is CH3, CH3OH. So these are the compounds given. We need to classify them as primary, secondary, tertiary. You have to remember one thing. Primary means that is CH2OH. Secondary means CHOH. Tertiary means COH. CH2OH is their primary alcohol. I gave you a shortcut already. CHOH is their secondary. COH is their tertiary. You can easily identify, very easily. It is COH, not H is there. That's why taken as tertiary alcohol. Tertiary alcohol. It is alkyl alcohol, no aromatic ring, no allyl group. That's why alkyl tertiary alcohol. Next, it is CH2OH. CH2OH means primary alcohol. It is primary alcohol. The OH attached carbon atom undergoes sp3. Next to the doubly bonded carbon atom, those are called allyl alcohols. Allyl primary alcohol. Next one, CH2OH it is. That's why it is also primary alcohol, CH2OH. So next is ethyl group. That's why it is alkyl alcohol. Alkyl alcohol. Next one, CHOH it is, students. CHOH is a secondary alcohol. You know already it is secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohol, OH attached carbon atom undergoes sp3 hybridization next to the benzene ring. That's why it is benzyl secondary alcohol. Benzyl, OH attached carbon atom directly attached to the benzene ring. Next afterwards, it is CHOH. CHOH means secondary alcohol. It is secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohol, and next carbon atom is sp3 only. It is not benzyl, it is alkyl only. Next, this one, COH given here. It is COH. COH means that is tertiary alcohol. Tertiary alcohol. Tertiary alcohol is next to the doubly bonded carbon atom. OH attached carbon atom undergoes sp3 next to the doubly bonded carbon atom. That's why allyl. Allyl tertiary carbon atom. It is 11.1. Question number 11.2 is which is 11.2 is which is allyl alcohol. That is second one and sixth one are allyl alcohols. Getting students? CH2OH is their primary alcohol, CHOH is their secondary alcohol, COH is their tertiary alcohol. 11.1 and 11.2 both completed. Next question students. Few questions based on IUPAC nomenclature. Now we discuss few questions which are based on nomenclature. Yes, 11.3, question number 11.3. Write the IUPAC names of the following IUPAC names of the following compounds. Among them, the first one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon atoms. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon atoms. Now CH3, CH3 it is, CH2OH it is, next CH2Cl here, it is CH2Cl it is. Get it? Right. This is the compound given. CH3 it is, CH2 it is, CH and CH, CH, CH3. This is the first compound given. Functional group is there. You should give the first number to the functional group attached carbon atom irrespective to the number of carbon atoms in the longest parent chain. That's why 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is numbering students. Getting all of you? This is the numbering. Now, second position occupied by this group called isopropyl group. This position occupied by CH3 or CH2Cl, CH2Cl. If it is CH3 methyl, one hydrogen in methyl is replaced by chlorine. That's why called chloromethyl it is. It means third position is chloromethyl. Next, second position is isopropyl it is. Isopropyl. Total number of carbon atoms 5, pent. All are single bonds, ane. That is whole, first position. Pentane 1 whole, pentanol 1 pentanol, all are correct. These two are substituents written first, followed by the longest chain, followed by the ane, followed by the whole. Next compound. 1, 2, 3, 6 carbon atoms, again second compound, it is first compound. Compound number 2, 1, 2, 3, total is 6. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right now, second position CH2OH, CH2OH. Third position CH3. Even fifth position also OH and CH3 here. Here also OH, 4, 5 and CH3. It is taken as CH3, CH, CH2, CH, CH, CH3. This is what the compound given. There are 2 OH groups in the chain. That's why you need to give the lowest priority to the which one, that is OH groups. 1 it is, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 it is. Getting all of you? So for this OH also we are getting numbering. Then second position occupied by methyl group and fifth position is also occupied by methyl group. Substituents 2, that's why I should write first. 2, 5 dimethyl it is. Dimethyl. Hex, root word is hex. All are single bonds ane, hexane. So first position and third position is occupied by alcohol, that is vol. 2 vols, divol it is. Getting all of you? Next. Third one is question number 3. Cyclohexane ring with OH and Br. Okay. Should give the first number to the OH attached carbon atom. Totally 6 are there. The substituent is bromine. That's why 3 bromo. First 3 bromo. So cyclic group, that's why named as cyclo. 6 carbons in the ring, that's why hex. All are single bonds ane, and OH is there, OL. Position is 1. You can mention first position, otherwise no need to mention the first position. Next one, 6 carbons, fourth one it is CH2 double bond CH, CH2, 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is what given, and OH at the third position. Here OH is there. Okay. If you give left to right, you will get a better number to the doubly bonded. 1, 2, 3, third position OH. 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth position. That's why left to right is the right numbering. 3, 4, 5, 6. Numbering it is, students. Then totally hex, it is hex, hex. 1 ene, it is 1 ene, and 3 vol. Hex, 1 ene and 3 vol. Third position alcohol. Last one. 4 carbons are there. Fifth one it is 1, 2, 3, 4. CH2OH it is fourth one. So now 3 and 4 it is double bond. So there CH3Br it is CH3 next to Br, like this given. Okay, it is CH3. Then all are 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 completed already. This is what the compound given. Yeah. To the functional group carbon atom, give the first number irrespective of the double bond. 2, 3, 4. That's why 2 bromo, second position is bromo. Third position is methyl, alphabetical order it is. Methyl. Next, bute. Second position is ene, 2 ene. Next, first position is 1 vol. 2 bromo, 3 methyl, bute, 2 ene, 1 vol. Getting all of you? This is nomenclature, students. Next question, 11.4. Question number 11.4. Yes, 11.4. The question is based on Grignard reagent. Right. How the following alcohols prepared by methanol, methanol with suitable Grignard reagent. So the prepared alcohols are, question number 1, that is CH3, CH, CH3, CH2OH. Question number 2, that is benzene ring, it is CH2OH. These are the alcohols prepared by Grignard reagent, a suitable Grignard reagent, we should know that. One reactant given methanol. Getting all of you? Yes. Question number 1, solution for this question, first question, that is, it is product, students. The product given is CH3, CH, CH3, CH2OH. It is the product. Okay. One reactant given methanol, HC double bond OH. It is methanol. One carbon atom is there, methanol, because CHO group is called aldehyde, indicated as Al. Now, treated with one Grignard reagent, then forms that product. What is that Grignard reagent? That's what your question. So totally 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons in the product. Already one carbon atom in the given reactant. 3 more carbon atoms must be present in a Grignard reagent. Understood? Those 3. This one is this part, and the rest part is a Grignard reagent part. That Grignard reagent part I am writing it as CH3, CH, CH3, MgBr. Alkyl magnesium bromide is called Grignard reagent. So it becomes plus, sorry, it becomes minus, actually it is minus, it is plus. Getting? Metal is plus, it is minus, and these two will be shifted here, oxygen minus, it is plus. Minus and plus will be attracted, plus and minus will be attracted, minus and plus will be attracted. Getting, students? Then formed compound is, yes, H, C, double bond O converted into single bond O, it is MgBr is added, O minus Mg plus, and here already hydrogen, and to this carbon CH, CH3 and CH3. This is what added. It is an adduct. Adduct means addition product. Then this on hydrolysis with water. Water contains H plus and OH minus. Then minus and this one will be connected. Then formed compound is MgOHBr. It is eliminated. Then this one plus and minus will be attracted. O becomes OH. This is CH2 and CH3, CH, CH3. Getting, students, it is? So we'll do the next problem. Your answer is this one. Understood? This is what required. Question number 2. So what is the reactant? One reactant given, methanol given commonly, students, for both, and the product given is, it is CH2OH. This is what product given. One carbon, that is over. Remaining cyclic ring is nothing but a Grignard reagent. So cyclic ring is Grignard reagent, MgBr, right? It is plus, this carbon atom is minus, correct? This will be shifted here, oxygen will be minus, carbon will be plus. So this plus and minus attracts, minus and plus will be attracted. Getting, students? Then we will get a product, that is HC, double bond converted into single bond, O converted into OMgBr, C, to this a carbon atom in the ring will be attacked, and this is treated with which one, students? Water contains H plus and OH minus. Then it is minus, it is plus. Plus and minus will be attracted, minus and plus will be attracted. Okay, understood? Then MgOHBr is eliminated as a byproduct. MgOHBr is eliminated as a byproduct. O becomes OH. O converted into OH, this is CH2 and the ring as it is. Very easy, at least one bit they are expecting in any competitive exams. One question they are expecting in even PUC examinations also, right? Next, 11.5. Write the products of the following reactions. Question number 11.5. Write the products of the following reactions. The following reactions. The first reaction is, so 1, CH3 CH double bond CH2 treated with water in presence of acid, H plus it is. Next, second one, that is, and you need to write a product here, students. What is product? Double bond O here, double bond O, CH2 C double bond O, CH3. This on treatment with NaBH4. What is product? Next one is, third one, CH3 CH CH3 CH2. So this is CH3, one more CH3 it is, CH2 CH CH3 OH. So this is given CHO, actually it is CHO. Then it is also treated with NaBH4. What is product? So these are the questions given in our public exams, especially they are expecting one question like this. Need to identify the products by the given reactants and reagents. So it is a hydration of alkene, it means addition of water to the alkene in acid medium. Nothing but acid catalyzed hydration of alkene then forms alcohols. It follows Markovnikov rule, already discussed. So this is acid catalyzed hydration of alcohols, alkenes especially, forms alcohols and follows Markovnikov rule. Okay na? Markovnikov rule means to the doubly bonded carbon atoms where the less number of hydrogen, there OH minus will be added. First one and second one are doubly bonded carbon atoms. On first carbon there are 2 hydrogens, second carbon there is 1 hydrogen. So less number on second carbon, that's why OH from water contains H plus and OH minus. OH from water will be attached to the doubly bonded carbon atom where the less number of hydrogens, that is second carbon CH, double bond converted into single bond, CH2 converted into CH3 by the addition of H plus. H plus OH minus, water is added, then alcohol is formed, more stable product according to Markovnikov rule. This is your answer. 1, 2, it is 3. Getting numbering? Next, after this, NaBH4 is mild reducing agent. Mild reducing agent. It reduces ketones into alcohols, but not esters into alcohols, only ketones. It reduces ketones, that is C double bond O into alcohols, but not C double bond O. Getting all of you? It means this will not change as it is. C double bond O converted into COH. Then answer is Double bond O converted into single bond. Here H, addition of H is called reduction, that's why it is called reducing agent. Then the rest of the part will be as it is, no change. It will not be affected by the NaBH4. It is mild oxidizing agent to reduce an ester group COO. Strong reducing agent is required. NaBH4 is a mild reducing agent. That's why it only reduces C double bond O but not COO. Now, it is also mild reducing agent as it is information. CHO for our convenience we can write like this. CO converted into COH, then it becomes CH3, CH2, CH, CH3. Next C double bond converted into single bond. Next H2 it is. You can write like this. It means 2 hydrogens added. Addition of hydrogen is called reduction. So reducing agent it is, mild reducing agent. Aldehydes are converted into alcohols, ketones are converted into alcohols only by NaBH4. It is a mild reducing agent, right? CHO converted into CH2OH, right? These are the products, very, very important. Next, students, 11.6, question number 11.6. Yes, question number 11.6, that is write the products of the following reactant with 3 reagents, that is Lucas reagent, next one SOCl2 and HBr. Write the products when the following reactants with one is HCl plus ZnCl2, second one is HBr, third one is SOCl2. So the given are A is, that is A is butane 1-vol, butane 1-vol. B is, that is 2-methyl butane 2-vol, 2-methyl butane 2-vol, butane 2-vol. Getting all of you? It means these are the reactants. With those 3 reagents, what are the products? Now here, first one is A, it is butane 1-vol, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2OH. First position occupied by, what is that? OH, totally 4 carbons, means but, all are single bonds, N, first position OH, that's why 1-vol or vol 1, both are correct. This is treated with, first one is HCl plus ZnCl2, what is product? Second one is HBr, what is product? Third one is SO2Cl2 or SOCl2, what are products? And again second chemical treated with again these 3, what are products? That's what your question. Then in this, it is a Lucas reagent, concentrated HCl plus ZnCl2 called a Lucas reagent. So this OH and this H eliminated as a H2O. The left Cl will be substituted in place of OH. Then we will get CH2, CH2, CH2. OH is replaced by Cl. Butyl chloride will be formed. This OH and H removed as a H2O. Similarly, OH and H in the second one removed as a H2O. Br will be substituted here. Then we will get CH2, 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 OH is replaced by Br. The eliminated one is minus H2O, right? Next, OH is replaced by Cl, then again same product students, CH2, CH2, CH2. In place of OH, Cl will be formed. One Cl gone, one more left Cl and hydrogen eliminated as HCl. Okay. Next, oxygen and SO removed as SO2. Getting all of you? Among these three, the best method used to prepare butyl chloride is third method, because SO2 gas is removed, the hydrogen chloride gas is neutralized by pyridine. Then the left component in our test tube is only butyl chloride. We will not get any impurity in the given test tube, because SO2 gas will be removed, HCl will be neutralized by pyridine. The left part in our test tube is only butyl chloride, pure butyl chloride we will get. Next, B. So B will react with how it reacts with 1, 2, 3 again. B is, that is 2-methyl butane-2-ol, that is but means 4 carbons, CH3, CH, okay, 2C, methyl it is, OH it is, CH3. 1, 2, 3, 4 it is. 2-methyl butane single bonds, second position is OH, ol. 4 carbons but, second position methyl, 2-methyl. 4 carbons, that's why but, single bonds ane, second position is ol. 2-methyl butane-2-ol, right? How it reacts with HCl plus ZnCl2. Next, HBr. Next, SOCl2. Again, first one, second one, third one. What are the reactions? Understood? First one, how does it react with the 3 reagents? Second one, how does it react with another 3 reagents? Then, same. This OH group is replaced by Cl. OH and H removed as H2O. Then CH3, CH2, C, CH3, OH means here Cl, it is CH3. Water is eliminated. Then OH and this hydrogen removed as H2O. Then Br is replaced by OH as it is CH3, Br, CH3, right? Next, OH is replaced by Cl, CH3, CH2, C, CH3, Cl, CH3. One Cl eliminated, one more Cl and hydrogen removed as HCl, and left oxygen and SO removed as SO2. Gas is exposed. This is major one. So third method is the best method to prepare what are the butyl chlorides when compared with other, because SO2 removed as a gas, HCl will be neutralized by the addition of pyridine, then we will get only alkyl chloride. Getting all of you? Right. These are your in-text questions which are not solved in the textbook. I solved on the board. So few questions they gave exemplar questions, they solved with solutions also. You just verify them, practice them and study well. We will continue in the next session.